Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to reverse video on CapCut. To get started, launch CapCut. Now add your project video to the timeline that you want to reverse. Now click on the edit option. Then look for reverse button. Once you have found it, click on it and then wait for a while for the video to be reversed. Once it's done, you have successfully reversed video using CapCut.
If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.